Hello friends, if you are unable to read the screen, it says that school flights power disrupted as snowfall breaks record. Here in Dallas, Texas, that DFW area, I'm in Fort Worth, it says as of 8 p.m., 8.7 inches of snow has fallen on Dallas-Fort Worth, eclipsing the previous record for a 24-hour period of 7.5 inches. So we've got 8.7 inches of snow outside my house. Oh, stars are 0-0 with Calgary right now. But here's the reality. The trash is supposed to get picked up today, but it didn't. I guess the, look at that. Normally this time of year it's like 50. This is my house. It's still snowing though. Ow, mother. Sorry. I almost slipped. Anyway, it's actually sticking to the pavement, which is unusual for this area. Normally it just snows on the grass and the pavement and just melts away immediately, but whatever. Anyway, so global cooling. Nah, I don't believe in. Anyway.